So you put on here and then number two. Number two is put here.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Please.
Small bundles, huh?
How many?
6 pieces. Magkano po?
84.
84? One bacon and eggs, the junior, and then grilled cheese, junior. And that's it.
One junior bacon and egg and one junior grilled cheese.
Right.
130.
Salamat po.